take this salad.
Sure. Good choice.
And this pie. I'll just leave it in the oven to reheat. And dinner's ready. Time for Instagram.
Sweetheart, I'm home.
Aw, hubby's here. Gotta hurry. I'm here, busy with your meal. Oh, hi, honey.
Huh? Wow, yummy! Delicious.
Aw, thank you. I need something special today. It's gonna be the best dinner party. Wow, Liza, I envy your cooking skills.
Whoa, my leg! Whoa.
Wait, what? Oh no! What a challenge. There's no other way. I'm a bit confused. What am I supposed to do with all this? So let it be fried eggs. Nothing too difficult. Why is this so slimy? And the stench. Ew! I need some spices, right? Sugar is always a good idea. Jam, salt, sauce. I guess the fruit goes here. All done. And what now? Ah, I see. Oh, it's sticky. Ouch! Oh no! Stop! Stop! It's a disaster.
Whoa, something new today?
Enjoy.
Okay. Oh.
Good? I'm so happy.
Oh my, I feel sick. Wait, there is more.
I have something. Oh, you liked it that much? Great!
Thanks. Ouch! Oh, whoa.
Ah, you found my ring. Thanks.
Oh, whatever.
And now, dessert.
Sorry, honey. Urgent call. Gotta go. Huh? I see. Come on. We have to hurry. Finally. Yummy.
Oh, that's exactly what I need.
There we go, a perfect birthday cake.
That's what I'll cook. It's gonna be a great present for the big day. First, a sponge cake, soft and fluffy. Now I need to make some whipped cream. Homemade whipped cream is the best.
Yummy! Good kitty.
Chocolate.
That looks like the cake I ate. Aha! Just as squishy.
Here it is.
Mama noticed a thing. Cool. Wow, whipped cream. Yummy. I know. Toothpaste will save me. The more the better. Mom won't see the difference.
Haha! The ingredients are ready.
Another treat? Yes. What can toasted. Aha! Perfect. I don't need that. Ta-da! That was smart.
Huh? What was that?
Yay! It's my
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Aw, my baby. Here, the first piece is for the birthday girl. What's wrong?
Huh?
Let me try a piece. Ew!
Ew. Oh.
I will never use your recipes again!
Is anyone watching? Nope. Great. Today is the day. She has to say yes, I hope. Anyway.
Oh no! I'm not ready yet! Hurry up, Liza! How on earth? Ugh! I hate Murphy's Law! Anyway, this is no time to panic.
That's strange. Shall I? Huh? Oh no, I've got to do something and fast. Uh-oh, nothing's working. But what if… Ta-da! I'm genius!
Why won't this come off? This is a disaster!
Huh? Liza?
I can't keep Pear waiting this long. Aha! Oh no! No! Ah!
Huh? Is she okay?
What? What am I gonna do? Oh, how could I forget? This is my last resort. Abracadabra! Aha, that's better. Honey, you're stunning.
What's happening over there?
Hi! Sorry for keeping you outside.
Hey, no problem.
Make yourself at home. I'm gonna leave you here for a second, okay?
Oopsie. Oh, I screwed up. I can let Liza see this. Oh, here is my way out. Lovely. Whew.
Why are you still here? Come in.
Sure.
Huh? I didn't know you liked this style.
Love it.
Whatever makes you happy.
What's wrong with these slippers?
Take a seat. I'll be back in no time.
Okay. Time to relax. No sex? No problem. Maybe I was wrong.
It's gonna be so romantic. Huh? What a mix-up! What am I gonna do? Aha! I know! Problem solved!
Uh-oh.
Ew!
Ew! That's better.
Everything's ready! Could you open the champagne?
Of course.
That was loud.
That's for you. What's wrong? Chin Chin. Time for action. Liza, I have a question. Will you marry me? Here, that's for you.
Well,
Is it, no?
it's a yes.
No, that's the wrong hand.
Huh? Okay, here you go.
I'm so happy.
Huh?
Huh?